to kickstart cellular respiration. Before it enters, it resided in the cytoplasm. Although glucose wants to enter, it is too big, so a process called glycolysis must take place. Glucose splits into two molecules called pyruvate, which can both enter through the mitochondria. This is also taking place in the cytoplasm. Glucose is located here. The inner membrane. This is mostly made up of a phospholipid bilayer, and it's located in the mitochondria. It's where the electron transport chain takes place. Also, it's where hydrogen molecules build up to help produce ATP. The inner membrane is located here. Glycolysis is the process that begins cellular respiration. It takes place outside of the mitochondria. It breaks down glucose in the cytoplasm, creating two pyruvates able to enter the mitochondria. Glycolysis requires the use of enzymes and ATP as an energy source to help cut glucose in half. Glycolysis takes place because the glucose is too big to be able to enter the mitochondria. Glycolysis is located here. Pyruvate. Pyruvates are the molecule that enter the mitochondria. They enter into the matrix. Pyruvates were produced as a result of glycolysis, which is the process of breaking glucose apart. Then one carbon is removed and electrons are stripped, which creates NADH. Pyruvate is located here. Matrix. The matrix is a part of the mitochondria and is where the Krebs cycle takes place. The matrix is located in the middle of the mitochondria and is enclosed between the cristae. The matrix is located right in here on this side. The Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is a 6-carbon chain that is broken down, and it releases carbon dioxide. In addition, some electrons are taken by electron carriers. In the end, 2 ATPs are produced from each molecule of glucose. NADH. It originates from an NAD+, which is the oxidized form. It can pick up electrons, and once it does, it has a negative charge and attracts a positive charge and gets hydrogen, and now you have NADH. This molecule acts as a shuttle for electrons. NADH helps with the process of glycolysis. When 2 NADHs provide energy to convert pyruvate into lactic acid. As the NADH is used, it is converted back into an NAD+. The role of fermentation is simply to provide glycolysis with a steady supply of NAD+. The Krebs cycle is located in the circle. NADH is located right here in there. Cytoplasm. They are located in all eukaryotic cells. Glycolysis and fermentation, which are both anaerobic respiration, take place in the fluid portion of the cytoplasm. Glycolysis produces 2 ATP and 2 NADPH, and fermentation generates NAD+. The cytoplasm is located all around the cell, all around it. Well, that's it for cellular respiration.